Hi everyone, let's spice up our day with authentic Kerala flavors. Let's start with 270 grams of roughly chopped coconut, 400 grams of yogurt, roughly chopped 1 green chilli, roughly chopped 3 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger roughly chopped, 15 to 20 curry leaves, and roughly chopped 1 onion, that's about 40 grams.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now take yogurt and add 200 ml of water. Whisk it nicely until it's lump free. And now keep it aside. Now take a mixer and put in green chilli, garlic, ginger and onion. Now grind it into a fine paste. Now we'll add coconut, one-fourth teaspoon of turmeric powder, and roughly grind them. Now add 150 ml of water and grind it into a fine paste. And keep the coconut paste aside. Now take a pot and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of Fenugreek Seeds, half teaspoon of Urad Dal, and half teaspoon of Cumin Seeds. Now fry for a minute on low flame. Then add coconut paste, cook for a minute on low flame. Then add 50 ml of water and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Now we'll add 3 dry red chilli broken into pieces, curry leaves, half a teaspoon of salt or as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Now cook for 3 minutes on low flame. Now add 200 ml of water and cook for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. And now we'll add whisked yogurt, cook for a minute on medium flame. Now turn off the flame and keep it aside. For tadka, take a pan and heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 2 dry red chilli broken into pieces, and give it a quick mix within a minute on medium flame. Now add tadka to the curry. And mix everything well. And our Moru curry is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!